Hello friends, welcome back to Raju Notes channel. Today we will quickly see as to what is this top secret document which US has procured and which is creating ripples across the world as to how China was probably trying to weaponize this COVID as form of a bioweapon, a genetic weapon. Let's quickly see what this is. The US officials have allegedly obtained a paper which titled as the unnatural origin of SARS and new species of man-made viruses as genetic bioweapon. This was written by the military scientists of China and which included the senior public health officials way back as late as 2015. That is about 6 years back. This thing has started. And this revelation came when the investigation teams were there in China to basically look for the origin of COVID-19. Now, this is a big question in itself. China, which did not even allow the teams to come into their country, how can such team get a leaked document in their hands? Well, there must be some forces. As of now, we will go by the premise that whatever this document, so-called the top secret document, has come into our hands, is revealing that. The report on this paper was released by the Australians, and which is probably a teaser for the book named What Really Happened in Wuhan. They are releasing this book, so as whenever there's a book released, you do create some sensation, and probably this is one of that. And now coming on to what does this document reveal? The paper states that the SARS coronavirus were a new era of genetic weapons, and that could be artificially manipulated into an emerging human disease virus. And these SARS weapons could be manipulated in such a way that they become a weapon and they can be unleashed whenever and wherever possible by the country who is manufacturing it, provided they have an antidote for it ready. The document lists some of the China's top public health figures amongst the authors, and the 18 listed authors of the paper also include the PLA scientists and weapon experts, as per the Australians. So basically, we all understand that China, whatever happens, has to happen through the PLA, and it is very much natural to have such dignitaries or top level officials into the so-called things. So, what are the predictions in this paper? Well, the author in the paper has predicted some kind of a World War III fought with biological weapons, and the PLA paper referenced seems to be a fantasize a bioweapon attack that could cause an enemy entire medical system to collapse, as per the Australians. Basically, a third World War was envisaged, and then China releases some kind of a bioweapon, and the enemy medical system collapses while own forces have an antidote, and they are going ahead with this World War III. Now there is a big question whether it was intentionally released or unintentionally released. Well, the paper includes that several this acute respiratory syndrome, that is the SARS, which hit China in 2003, could have been a man-made bioweapon, and it was deliberately released by the so-called terrorists. Now, who is this terrorist? A big question marks. As per the report, it could have been a testing stage which would have gone out of their hands. And my gut feeling, that is personal gut feeling, is again this was a new variant which was probably unintentionally released. The person who must have been working with them, they must have come in contact with it, and they became carriers, and by the time they could have developed a antidote, it blew out of proportions. Anyway, there is a theory which says it's a lab leak theory. So there is no clear evidence that which conclusively proves that the COVID-19 was leaked from a lab accidentally or intentionally. However, Dr. Tedros, the chief of WHO, who has been singing all along the Chinese song, now he has changed his stance, and he says that more investigations are now required to look into this angle. Well, there is a huge rising concerns. China is known to have been carrying out the high-risk gain of function research at the Wuhan Institute of Virology, creating new variants that spread faster and kill faster. This is known fact. And to this, the UK Member of Parliament Tom Tugendhat said that China's evident interest in the bioweapon is extremely concerned, and even the tightest controls of these weapons are dangerous, because it is very, very evident that such a virus, which is so lethal in its transmission and is so powerful, that to contain such thing is extremely difficult. So until and unless your entire populace is vaccinated, you may not be able to get control over it, in case if you are using on the enemy side. Well, this is giving to lot of suspicions. The executive director of ASPI, Peter Jennings, said that the document may explain why China has been so reluctant for an outside investigation into origins of COVID-19. China did not allow the WHO team or any other team to visit its country till the time almost a year later, when they allowed the WHO team. By then, they could do all the cover-ups what was possible. And adding to this, the top the top UK and the Australian politicians also said that this document raises a major concern on China's transparency and on the origins of this virus. However, we all know what how China reacts to all such kind of things. It'll the mouthpiece, Beijing's mouthpiece, Global Times, it all as usual slammed the Australian for publishing the article, and it says that it is trying to smear China, and it is trying to say that it is twisted its facts. Well, whatever Global Times says, we know that Global Times is controlled by the Chinese military and the top official. So we have to wait and see as of now. But the thing is that as of now, we know that there is some kind of a document which has been working on weaponizing the bio warfare system, and COVID could be a part of it. Well, this is a very small update on the report which had been flowing around. Hope it is of some value. If you are not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to it and press that bell icon so that you get my latest video notifications immediately. And I'll see you very soon, maybe in a day or so, with the current affairs update for this month, the month of May, the second part. And till then, please stay home and take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.